Are you tired of spending hours planning, scripting, editing, and exporting a video, only to upload it and get a handful of views, maybe one like, and zero comments? You're not alone. Every day, thousands of creators give up on video because it feels too overwhelming, or too expensive, or just too time-consuming. But what if I told you there's an AI tool that can do all of that, from script to visuals, from voiceover to sound, in less time than it takes to scroll your feed? I'm talking about writing your entire video, choosing a visual style, syncing a voice to a face, adding music and sound effects, and generating a polished final video you can post without touching an editing app. It's called SkyReels.ai, and in this walkthrough, I'm going to show you exactly how it works, step by step, and why it's changing the way creators, teachers, marketers, and storytellers make video. Welcome to SkyReels.ai, your all-in-one AI video creation studio right in your browser. Whether you're a YouTuber, a coach, an e-learning instructor, or even a small business owner looking to make promotional content, this platform has something for you. No installations, no learning curves, no need to jump between 10 different tools. Let's get started. Step 1. Generating your first video. Once you sign into SkyReels.ai, your dashboard gives you two powerful options right away. You can generate a short video, 5, 10, or 30 seconds, perfect for reels, ads, or story posts, or go straight into storyboard mode to build out multiple scenes for longer content. The first thing you'll do is choose your visual style. Options include sci-fi, 3D cartoon, Ghibli animation, and more. These aren't just filters, they completely change the aesthetic of your video. Then select your video quality, from 720p to 4K, depending on your needs. Now for the magic, type in your idea or concept, or for example, a futuristic city where AI robots help humans grow food. One sentence, that's it. Click generate, and within seconds, SkyReels brings your idea to life with an animated sequence, visual transitions, and stylized scenes. Step 2, creating a full cinematic story with Generate Drama. Now let's say you want something more elaborate, a full narrative or short film. Click on Generate Drama. This tool acts like a film director and screenwriter combined. Paste your script or story idea, and SkyReels breaks it into detailed storyboards. Each scene is assigned camera angles, emotional cues, and setting descriptions. You can review, tweak, or regenerate individual parts, giving you full control without doing any manual formatting. Writers can literally turn a 5,000-word story into a visual storyboard in under 2 minutes. Sometimes you need specific imagery, like a background of an alien jungle or a cartoon-style schoolroom. Use text to image. Type your prompt, like a cyberpunk city at night with glowing neon lights, and SkyReels instantly generates 4 different AI images. Pick the one that best fits your vision or regenerate to get new results. You can insert it directly into a scene, use it as a background, or animate it further. Want your characters to speak? Use lip sync. Upload a character image, or select one you've created with SkyReels. Then upload your voice audio, or type what you want them to say. The AI automatically syncs the lip movements to your words, even with accents or dramatic tones. This is perfect for explainer videos, animated tutorials, or short skits. If you're a writer, this is where SkyReels really shines. With novel to script, you can paste an entire blog post, short story, or even a full novel, up to 1 million words, and SkyReels will convert it into a properly formatted screenplay. It adds dialogue, breaks the content into logical scenes, and sets up structure for video adaptation. And yes, you can preview the whole thing, make edits, and even generate the visuals right after. You don't need to record your own voice. Go to text-to-speech, paste your script, and choose from over 100 AI voices: male, female, robotic, emotional, calm, dramatic. You can adjust the pacing, tone, and emotion to match the scene. Serious for documentaries, energetic for ads, or calm for tutorials. Click Generate, and your voiceover is ready. No mic needed. Now let's talk sound. Click Music Generator, pick a mood, cinematic, chill, dramatic, upbeat, and SkyReels will compose a completely original soundtrack for your video. If you need effects like footsteps, rain, page turns, or suspense stingers, go to the sound effects section. You can trim, sync, and layer sounds to give your video depth and immersion. No more hunting for royalty-free music or downloading sound packs. Now it's time to edit. SkyReels has a built-in drag-and-drop editor. You can trim clips, rearrange your scenes, adjust timing, and apply filters and transitions. No need to overlay music or voiceover. It's just a click. Need to change the order of shots? Just drag and drop. You don't need any editing experience. Everything is beginner-friendly and web-based. Let's say you have a finished script and want to see it brought to life visually. Use Script to storyboard. Paste your full script, and SkyReels breaks it down into shot-by-shot scenes, assigning character ideas, visual styles, and suggested backgrounds. You can use this for planning, pitching, or instantly converting writing into visual content. And that's it. That's how I go from a rough idea in my head to a fully edited, narrated, sound design video using just one platform. SkyReels.ai does it all. Script generation, animation, lip sync, music, editing, and export, without needing any complex tools, expensive software, or team members. Whether you want to build your YouTube channel, promote a brand, teach online, or just tell better stories, SkyReels gives you the power to do it. No downloads, no extra apps, just pure creativity, visualized. Go try it now at SkyReels.ai. You'll be blown away by what you can create.